good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Okay, today we're going to learn the conductivity of aqueous solution. The conductivity of aqueous solutions. Conductivity 就是导电，然后 aqueous solution 就是水溶液。Okay, so we are going to focus on observation and a big question. Okay, so next one. So what things can you see in the bathroom? Everyone say, what things can you see in the bathroom? So please say, I can see. Are you ready? I can see. What can you see? Raise your hand and say, I can see. Yes. Okay, everyone say, I can see. I can see washing machine. Okay, please put your number here, okay? Come here, write down your number. Okay, what is washing machine? Okay, so think of what kind of materials does it made of? Okay, materials do they made of? Okay, what can you see? I can see. Okay, everyone say, I can see. Let's go. I can see bathtub. Can you put your number over there? Okay, what is bathtub, everyone? What is bathtub? You can take a bath here. What is take a bath? No? Yes, louder please. Yeah, that's right. Thank you. Can you put your number over here? Okay, what else can you see? Yes.
I can see clothes drying rack.
Okay, let's say, I can see. Let's go. I can see clothes drying rack. What is clothes drying rack? Very good. Perfect. So can you see what types of materials do they made of? Here. What kind of materials? Somebody say something? Clothes? I mean the materials. 材料. What kind of materials do they make of? What is that? Some kind of metal, you know? What is that? No, it's not concrete. It's like here, like this. What is this? Yeah, everyone say steel. Everyone say steel. What is steel? Okay, very good. So next one. So let's move on to the next. Can you see this? And they are electricity. Everyone say electricity. What is electricity? 电. That's right. So they can pass the electricity can go through this one and out and touch you. So do you understand what I mean? So what does that mean? Do you have to be very careful in the bathroom when you use these devices? Yes. Okay. So next one. So everyone say conduct electricity. Conduct electricity. So what is electricity? What is electricity? So they are electricity, right? Yeah. So they can the things that you see in the bathroom, they can, what can they do? They can conduct electricity. One more time. They can conduct electricity. What is conduct electricity? Very good. So how does it work? How does it work? So listen. The electricity in. Everyone say in. Okay, electricity through. Everyone say through. Okay, through the wire, right? And then out from here. Everyone say out. So that is how it conducts the electricity. Do you understand? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So far, so good. Yeah. Very good. So let's move on. What materials are good conductors? One more time. What materials 材料 are are good conductors. What is good conductors? Yes? Wire? What kind of wire? We are talking about materials. Materials means like steel and other things. Is this a good conductor? Okay, what is it then? We say steel, we say material, not the things itself. We say material. What is material? Iron is steel, right? Yeah. And what else? For example, like this one. We have the wire, right? This one is not made of that. We can see this one. What is this? Raise your hand. What is it? What is? Yeah, it's a wire, right? What does it make? What is this material? You can speak Chinese. It's okay. You don't have to speak English. That's right. Everyone say, can you put your number over there? Everyone say copper. What is copper? That's right. And what else? What else? What else? We have steel. We have copper. Anything else that is a good conductor? For example, like this one. What is this? Yeah, what is it? You can speak Chinese. What is this? Can you see? No. What is this? No, it's not. What kind of metal? Metal is 金属, right? But what is name? Exact name? What is this? Raise your hand. What is this? Yes? That is steel, right? But what is this? Is it very easy? No, it's not. It's kind of metal. Metal. What is this? You know, when we bake something, right? We're baking. We use. Raise your hand to speak. Yeah, you have the number over there, right? If you have the number over there, please don't raise your hand. But if you don't have the number, why is this? When we bake something, we use something, right? We use something to put it and cover it. We use something. 我们在烘焙的时候, what do we use to cover them? What is it? Raise your hand. Someone say that. Who said that? Raise your hand. Somebody say, yeah, louder please. Did you say? Who say that? Did you say that? Yeah, louder please. Yeah, this is aluminum. Please put your number over there. Say that. Put your number over there. So, yes, aluminum, it is a long word. So I'll just put it here. Yes, they are all, everyone say metals. Everyone say metals. What is metals? That's right. Yeah. So everyone say aluminum. Aluminum. What is aluminum? Okay. So aluminum is a good conductor. Very good. Next one. Everyone say copper. It's a good conductor. Very good. Next one. What is the next one? Steel. Everybody say steel. So steel is a good conductor. So we have good conductors. We also have poor conductors. What materials are poor conductors? For example, wood. Everyone say wood. What is wood? Yeah, very good. And what else? Raise your hand. If your number is on the board, please don't raise your hand. Is your number on the board? Yeah, thank you. So, yes. Paper. Yeah, that's right. Put your number over there. Paper. What is paper? That's right. Everyone say paper. Okay, and one more, please. One more. And what is this made of? Okay. That's right. Everyone say plastic. Plastic. What is plastic? That's right. So thank you for your number over there. So let's move on. So
in science. It isn't a conductor or insulator. A conductor is an object or material that allows the flow of negatively charged electrons in one or more direction, which results in electric current. An electrical insulator is a material in which the electrons do not flow freely. What we will do in this video is take a look at some different objects. We have some metals, some plastics, a Sharpie. How about a pickle and some look it up, some electricity, and see if it is a conductor or an insulator. Up first, we have copper. Look it up, and yes, it's a conductor. How about this piece of plastic and insulator? Now we move on to another piece of metal. It's aluminum. Flip the switch, and yes, it is a conductor. Now, how about some wood? Hook it up, flip the switch, nothing happens. So it is an insulator. After the block of wood, let's try this. How about we try a Sharpie? It's plastic, it's hooked up, we go to the switch, and nothing happens. So it is an insulator. How about this? Let's try some more. I've got two nails hooked in. I flip the switch. Nothing happens. Well, let's modify the water slightly. Let's add some salt. As I add the salt, I pour it in. I go back to the switch. What do you think? Is it going to change? I hit the switch, and yes, it is now a conductor. The salt allows the electrons to move freely. Next, let's try this screwdriver. The reason why I use this, I have plastic on one end, metal on the other. I flip the switch, nothing happens. But now, if I move it to where it is touching metal only, it's now a conductor. So the plastic helps insulate it. How about this? How about the pickle? It has a lot of salt in it. Well, I don't know about that. I plug it in. It smokes a lot, it glows, but I would consider it an insulator. About celery, it kind of tastes salty. Maybe it has enough salt in it. And, well, you can see for yourself. Nothing really happens. Well, it does start smoking a little bit. So let's see what happens. Celery with 110 volts going through it. Smoking, but it is an insulator. Kind of cool looking, huh? Next, how about the apple? Kind of a dud. Well, not really. It's an insulator. So if you need to insulate, an apple is your object. So I hope that helps. If you'd like to know more about conductors and insulators, this playlist.
Okay, so let's move on to the next page, okay? Continuity tester. So it is like this. I'll show you. So here's the battery, okay? Do you see what is this? Battery. And this is the wire. Everyone say wire. Wire. This is the wire, okay? Copper wire. Everyone say copper wire. Copper wire. This is LED. Everyone say LED. LED. Okay, so we are going to test it out, okay? So there's one here. I'll show you. We're going to test out all the materials like steel. Everyone say steel. Steel. What is a steel? What is steel, everyone? Here. Okay, so I'm going to test out there's a scissors. So it's also made of the steel, right? This is steel, right? So to see if it is a good conductor. And to see if the LED is light. The light is on, okay? Is LED on? Is LED on? Is it on? Yeah. So is it a good conductor? Yeah. Okay. So let's try the wood, okay? Everyone say, what is this? Wood, okay? So is it a good conductor? We just test it out, okay? So let's put the wire here. This is positive. Anyway, positive here and negative here. Is the LED, is the light on? No. Is it a good conductor? No. What is it? Very good, okay? So what else? Oh, yes. We have this aluminum. What is aluminum? That's right. Is it a good conductor? We'll try it out, okay? Let's see. This is positive. Everyone say positive. Positive 就是正极 and negative. Everyone say negative. Negative 就是负极. Let's try it out. Is it a good is it light on? Is it a light on? Yeah. So is it a good conductor? Yeah. Okay, so let's move on. Alright. So here, this is a can and it's made of aluminum. Everyone say aluminum. So is the light on? Yeah. So is it a good conductor? So next one. What is this? Plastic. Is it a good conductor? No. So it's a poor conductor because the light is off. Very good. Okay. So let's move on. Okay. So we are going to move to the science book. Okay, and we can look at this one. Let's read it together. Okay, are you ready? Okay, everybody say, a bathroom is filled with items that can conduct electricity. What is a bathroom? 浴室. Okay, so it's filled with items. 充满了什么? That can conduct electricity. So the bathroom 充满了什么? 导电的物品，对不对? Okay, so next one. So what are good conductors? Metals. Did I say? Metals are good conductors. What is metal? 金属. Very good. Everybody say wood, plastic, and glass are poor conductors. Okay? So let's move on to the next one. Okay, we are going to do a worksheet. Everybody say worksheet. Okay, you are going to draw a continuity just like this one. Okay, what is this? Everyone say a continuity. Let's go. A continuity tester. What is a continuity tester? 通电的什么测试装置? Okay, so please remember to write down your class number. What is your class number? 501. And your number, what is number? And what is your name? Are you ready? Okay, so I'm going to give you this and I'll show you how to do it later. Okay? And please pass it. Okay. Please remember to write down your name first, your class number, and your number. Thank you. So let's read together. Are you ready? Okay, everyone say draw a diagram. Let's go. A diagram of continuity. Everyone say continuity. Tester. So draw this one first, and then everyone say categorize. Categorize the words in the wording as a good or bad conductor. Or bad conductor, which means you have to sort these materials out into two different categories. One is good conductor, the other one is poor conductor. Do you understand what I mean? Understand yes or no? Okay, so for example, metal steel is a good conductor. show you how to do it. You need to draw like this. There's a battery, and please, I forgot to draw this. There's a line here, okay? Please draw a line here, and then you need to write down the word. For example, this one is negative. What is negative? Negative. And positive. Perfect. And LED? That's right. And copper wire. Okay, these two are copper wire, okay? And what is this? Conductor. Everyone say conductor. Conductor. What is conductor? Who say that? Yeah, what is your number? 1. Thank you very much. Okay, so here, go ahead and draw it right away. Please draw now. Thank you. Please draw. Oh, on the other side here. And please use this side. Yeah. We're going to use the other side next time, okay? Yeah. Aluminum. 铝. Yeah, aluminum 是铝, okay? Aluminum is here, okay? Aluminum, okay? Please draw the diagram, okay? Yes, that's right. And draw the wire. Yeah, perfect. You're amazing. Thank you. Please draw the diagram, just like the one on the board, on the PowerPoint. And please also write it down. Draw the diagram like this. You draw a battery. Find the battery here and wire. Okay? Yes. Yeah, that's right. You draw it, okay? Draw a battery and a wire and a conductor. And put a name on it, everything, okay? 把字都填上去, just like this. Yeah, just like this, okay? You draw exactly like this, okay? Just like this. Yeah, that's right. No, you don't need to draw. You don't need to write on the back page, okay? The back page is for next time, okay? Next week. We are going to do an experiment next week, okay? And this is how you're going to draw, okay? You draw a battery and a wire, okay? And then a conductor and an LED, okay? So because we don't have much time, and so I'll give you another moment, 1 more minute, and you can do it at home, okay? If you haven't finished it, okay? So you need to do it. You need to write it. Negative and battery and conductor. And you need to draw an LED here with this. LED here, right? And there's another wire going from here. Like this. Okay? And then another wire goes to the other conductor. Is that okay? Like this. Yep. Okay, please draw. And please write down its name, okay? That's okay, okay? Please take it home and finish it. Is that okay? Do you understand? Yes or no? Okay. Everybody say hurry up. 这边呢？这边还有啊，aluminum还要写上去，它也是都conductor。Copper 也是哈，还有 steel 也是。Write it down, please. Okay, 20 more seconds. 再20秒 20 more seconds. please draw a wire. Because I forgot to draw a wire here. There's another wire going to here. Wire, what is a wire? 线, okay? The wire has to go up all the way to here. Okay? Otherwise it cannot test out whether it is a good conductor or a poor conductor. Okay, you need to connect. Yeah, yes. Yes, that's perfect. But you need to draw a wire going to here. Yeah, that's right. So LED has to be all in capital letters. What is capital letters? That's right, okay? LED, you need to write in capital letters, okay? Alright, so draw a wire. I forgot to draw a wire. That's okay, just continue, yeah. So everyone say time's up. Okay, so a good conductor is, everyone say copper, and next one, steel, and then aluminum. Okay, aluminum. And what about poor conductor? Plastic, glass, and wood. I hope you have all correct, okay? So let's move on to, if you haven't finished, please go home and do it, okay? And finish this diagram and here too, okay? So let's move on to the rest. Oh, no, you don't have to, okay? So we're not going to share, and we are going to ask you the question. Look at the picture. And this is the electrical appliance. Okay, so this is electrical appliance. What is electrical appliance? 电子产品, right? So this is an electric toothbrush. What is electric toothbrush? Okay, so do many appliances, 电子产品, in the background use electricity? Yes or no? Everyone say yes, they do.
Yes, they do.
Okay, so next one. Is it safe or dangerous? What is safe? What is dangerous? Okay, to use an electrical appliance on a wet surface. What is a wet surface? 湿的什么？地板或是表面。Is it safe?
No.
So when we use a hair dryer, what is the hair dryer? That's right. When you use the hair dryer and it's wet, is it safe? No. What is it? It's dangerous. What is dangerous? 危险. So what does that mean? What do you have to do? You have to be very careful. What can I say? Very careful.
Very careful.
What is very careful? Okay, so let's move on to the next one, okay? So the big question is, everyone say, why is using, let's go.
Why is
Using an electrical appliance while on a wet surface, a dangerous situation. A dangerous situation. What does that mean?
那现在是中高年级的打扫时间，请小朋友听从老师的指示，教室内外的打扫工。
What does that mean? So, on a wet surface, why is using electrical appliance? What is electrical appliance? 电子什么产品 ？On a wet surface, 湿的表面是 dangerous situation. Why? Yes. Yeah, because the water can conduct electricity. So what does that mean? Water can conduct electricity. 水会怎样？导电。So next one. This is a hypothesis. Everyone say hypothesis. is the answer to the big question. What is answer? So to the 刚才我们那个 big question, right? Is it the right answer? No. And what is it? What is it? Hypothesis in Chinese. So we guess, right? We answer to the question. So is it the right answer? It's not the right answer. We just guess, right? What is guess? So this is the right answer? No. What is that? 假设. Everyone say hypothesis. Is it the right answer?
No.
Then what is it? Very good. So let's read together, okay? The water, let's go.
The water
On a wet surface can conduct electricity from an electrical appliance. That's what we say, right? Right? 我们刚才就有说到了嘛 Water can conduct electricity by using an electrical appliance, right? So let's move on. This is what we are going to do for the next week. And we are going to do the experiment. Is that okay? So, and thank you, and see you next time. Thank you for your help and your participation and your attention. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.